Hi everyone, I'm Angela Stevenson from Angie's Guide 2, and today I'm going to talk to you about affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is one of the simplest and easiest and quickest way if you want to start a business online. You only need 3 elements for starting a business with affiliate marketing, which I'm going to briefly go through and explain. Okay, so the first element is you need an affiliate link. So an affiliate link is how you're going to get paid. So an affiliate link is a unique link URL which is directed, is just customized specifically for you. So online you have loads of people that are selling products, services, etc. online. So one of the beauties of affiliate marketing is you don't need to have a product or a service. All you need is to get access to an affiliate link. So an affiliate network where you will get the link will sort out the customized URL. All you need to do is sign up for affiliate network, i.e. ClickBank or JSZoo or Warrior Forum, etc. But I'm going to show you on a next training on how to do all of that. But all you got to do is sign up to one of those, put in your details, and then pick a product or a service, and they will generate a link for you, and that is the link that you'll have to promote to people, and then people will click on that link, and you will get paid once someone's purchased. That is all affiliate marketing is. So as an affiliate marketer, you don't need a product or a service. Like I said before, you just need the link. But what you do need to do is promote the link. Because by promoting the link, people who is searching for that particular product or service will find your link, because you'll be promoting it. So you can promote, there's many ways to promote it. You can promote it on social media, you can do paid advertising. You just get your link out there to as many people as possible. Again, there'll be another training on how to do that, on how to do it. So once you have your link, the second step is to find people. How to find people is one of the quickest way and easiest way of how to find people is to create a sales page or web page, and that will be used to promote, so like doing a paid advertisement or just posting it on your page and just promoting it around in different forums, on social groups, etc. So you can always take this page and copy and paste it into other areas. So once people have seen your page and they click on your link and then they purchase whatever you're selling, you will get paid. You will get a commission. Now the commissions do vary from link to link, so you need to make sure you read how much commission. But commissions can vary from 10% to 50% to 75%, and sometimes even 90% of whatever you're selling. So it really does vary. If you're a student of mine and or you want to become a student of mine to go really deep into affiliate marketing, how to find the correct niche, set up your links, your sales pages and stuff like that, then make sure you like all my pages. Angie's Guide 2, you can find me on Instagram, you can find me on YouTube, you can find me on Twitter, Facebook. I have a private Facebook group that you can also join me on. In that group, you will find more tips and tricks, and you'll be able to connect with me, ask me questions, etc. on how to get started. So I specialize in helping people get started with affiliate marketing, alongside other businesses that you want to start. Please reach out to me. I hope you find this training really useful. Let me know in the comment box, so that will encourage me to do more videos that is more tailored to what you're looking for. Okay, have a blessed day everybody. Thanks for now.